Is your anime characters always looking off? Big eyes, tiny chins, weird proportions, and you can't explain why? This video fixes that today. Most beginners think anime is easy because it's simple, but that's exactly why it is so easy to get wrong. Wrong lines and your character goes from anime to alien. So let's get started. Today I'm going to be teaching you the things you should not do while drawing an anime character. 1. The base of the character. If the base of the character or the face, most in particular for this video, is not good, the entire drawing is not going to be good. So first, have a good base and make sure you measure everything appropriately. Everything has to be in order, especially the jawline, the place where the eyes will be, and other essential things. You also have to point out where the eyes will be and also where the ears will be. This will make it more easier for you to draw on later in the future. And if you're true, you just head over to the part where you're able to draw the true line arts, and you will be able to see that it will be very miraculous when you're done.
Number 2, eyes and how to place them. Just draw them and make sure the eyes in the middle of the eyes are in the same length. Make sure they are on the same line of the ears, and then you are done. Next, just color it and give it any design you want. Number 3, this is the mistake I see almost every beginner make, is line art. They might have the best proposition and best sketch of the art, but the line art just looks bad. This problem is either hand can't draw straight, or you draw too straight. Drawing in both ways makes your character look bad or boring, even when you're better at human proportions. For that, I suggest you first start drawing on paper before you draw on phone or tab or PC. So, I hope this helped you if you want to make your own anime characters and make them look cool. Watch this video and don't forget to subscribe and like. Welcome to Animation Tutorial, and I will see you there.